The business world is changing faster than most people can keep up. And while opportunity has never been greater, so has the noise, the misinformation, the recycled advice. Everywhere you turn, it's the same 5 headlines. How to hack the algorithm, start a side hustle, scale in 30 days. But where's the substance? Where's the strategy that lasts longer than a trend? The thinking that stretches beyond clickbait and quick wins? This is where Dr. Wood Recommends begins. A channel built at the intersection of business, marketing, advertising, and academia, where insights come backed by research, sharpened by experience, and tested in real markets. No fluff, no filler, no magic tricks. Here, we study how real strategy works, how brands grow, why consumers act, and what separates noise from knowledge. If you're building a brand, running a business, creating campaigns, or just learning how to think like a modern marketer, this is your space. Weekly breakdowns, real-world insights, systems that scale. Because you don't need louder opinions. You need smarter frameworks. This is more than content. It's curriculum for those who want to win on purpose. Dr. Wood recommends smart content for serious minds. Let's begin.